Creation story like you've never heard it before, part 3. So far, we have learned that day 1 is receiving the Holy Spirit, and day 2 is separating yourself from worldly things and using righteous discernment for everyday situations. In Exodus, this shows where the people that received the mark were protected from plagues and the angel of death. That is the Holy Spirit. The mark is the Holy Spirit. Then when the chosen people went through the division of waters, they were into the wilderness, which was such a strange environment to them. And they actually had to receive manna from heaven, which was angel's bread, in order to survive the journey. Now, there are 3 heavens. There's the conscious, the subconscious, and the unconscious. So when you eat manna from heaven, what this means is you are supposed to eat words and decrees from the angels in your consciousness. That is the true bread from heaven. That is the manna, not the written law. Throughout the entire Bible, the Creator is warning about being bound by the written law. On Mount Sinai, Moses was given the written law to bind those people that could not use righteous discernment and needed written guidance in order to properly operate. The people were begging to worship graven images and idols, and that's why they were given the written law. Now, Mount Sinai is also the mount that can be moved if you have enough faith. So on the first day, there is the first division. The Holy Spirit divides darkness with the new light within the body. On the second day, there is 2 divisions. You must separate yourself from worldly things and then use righteous judgment for every single situation. The people that are underneath the second division are gathered together and called lost seas, and then the fertile people are called dry ground. So on the third day, there is 3 divisions that are on the fertile ground. Throughout the Bible, you will see 3 classifications of people. You will see the elders, the young men, and the children. These are the people that can be ministered to, taught to, preached to, and engaged with in spiritual manners. The elders are those that are bound by the Old Testament in truth, and they are classified as the grass of the field. The young men are those that are bound by the New Testament in spirit, but not in truth, and they are classified as the herbs bearing seed. The children are those that are of the promise. They are the ones of the Creator that are not indoctrinated and are able to bear fruit with seeds inside of themselves as trees. Third day is about the Levitical law. It is about the tribe that is mentoring to the royal tabernacle and to the people. It shows in great allegory how you are supposed to sacrifice yourself, your animal body, the natural body, for the Creator's works. And it also shows where the tribe of Levite is supposed to receive tithes from all of the other people, because that was their job, was to take care of the tent. The allegory of the tabernacle, the Creator is outlining all kinds of different things. Everything has a spiritual interpretation. The showbread, the 7 days of flame, the holy place, then the most holy place, which is where the seat and the Ark of the Covenant, where the Creator will meet you. So the first day is receiving the Holy Spirit. The second day is separating yourself from worldly things and using righteous discernment. And the third day is ministering the law to the people. First day, Genesis. Second day, Exodus. Third day, Leviticus.